This is going to be a video tutorial on how to create a poll on Twitter using a mobile device. I'll be using an iPhone, but the steps should be pretty similar on other devices. Let me jump over to my phone here. Okay, I have my phone open now and I am on the Twitter app. To create a poll on Twitter using a mobile device, first thing you want to do is create your tweet. I'm going to tap on the little plus icon in the lower right hand corner. Next, you want to tap on the little graph icon down here. Tap on that. Now I'm going to tap where it says ask a question. This is the question for your poll. Now I'm going to tap on choice 1. I'm going to tap on choice 2, create another choice. Now you could create more choices by clicking the little plus icon over here. By tapping on the little plus icon. I'm going to create another choice now by tapping on the little plus icon. Okay, now below that, you can see it says poll length. By default, the poll length is 1 day, but you could tap on the little drop down there. And you could choose a different day, a different hour, how many hours left. You can go to up to 7 days for the poll length. I'm going to choose 7 days. And then down below that it says everyone can reply. You could tap on that. By default, everyone can reply. You could change that to only people that you follow, or you could change it to only people you mention. I'm going to leave it on everybody. And then you just tap on tweet. And there is my poll right there. That is how you create a poll on Twitter using a mobile device. Thanks for watching.